Do you know what panellets are? Panellets are a typical pastry, Catalan pastry, that we eat in Halloween. Well, it's typical in Catalonia to celebrate La Castanyada. We could translate it as Chestnut Day. So, in that day, we eat chestnuts, sweet potatoes, and of course, panellets. And now I'm going to show you how to prepare them. First of all, I'm going to show you the main ingredients for panellets. For the dough, we will need only, if you want, ground almond. This one, ground almond. And sugar. Here we have the sugar, yeah. And if you want more panellets, because we know that the ground almond is expensive, we can use also potatoes or sweet potatoes. I have here sweet potatoes. So we will make the dough. We will put it in the fridge overnight. And then when we have dough, for example, tomorrow, we will do little balls and we will cover them. Well, you can put in panellets whatever you want. For example, we will cover with chocolate, with coconut, shredded coconut, and typical panellets are made with pine nuts. Yep, here they are cheaper than in Barcelona. So let's start the preparation. I hope you will enjoy the recipe. I will put it in the comment box. And well, let's start. Here is Juanjo, one of my helpers.
Hello, guys.
Helpers.
Of course.
And we've made the dough. So I cooked 2 sweet potatoes, more or less 300 grams. And then when they have been cooked, we've peeled them, I mashed them like mashed potatoes, and we mixed them with ground almonds, 500 grams, and sugar, 500 grams too. And here's the dough.
Yeah, it's very nice. We were able to integrate all the ingredients together, more or less very well, I would say.
And now we are going to wrap it and put it in the fridge overnight. And tomorrow, maybe tomorrow afternoon, more or less between 12 and 24 hours, we'll take it out and do the balls, the panellets. Well, this is the day after yesterday, of course. We have here the dough, 24 hours after we did it. And here in the table, there's of course Juanjo.
Hello.
And Eric is recording the video.
Yep.
Now he is going with us to work and do the panellets. Here in the table, there are some bowls, and inside them, here there's coconut. Here there are pine nuts. Here there's egg, because we needed to cover the panellets with pine nuts. And here at the back of the egg, there are almonds. So we have to take a piece of dough. We take a little piece of dough. Juanjo, are you doing that?
Okay, let's do that.
Take a piece of dough, a little one, and maybe a little bit more. And let's do a ball with my
Too much,
hands.
right, I think?
Yeah.
Yeah, too much.
Eric, look,
Let's do that.
a
So
mini ball.
good. Yeah, so good.
Yeah? And maybe we can put it in the egg. Yeah, it's full of egg now. And in the pine nuts. And start to put the pine nuts on top of the bowl. It's quite difficult to do because they fall. It's difficult to cover it. But now we have to do all this dough a little balls. So Eric,
What?
stop the video and please help us.
Okay.
Here's Eric.
Hello.
He has done a lot of panellets.
Yes.
And he's very good doing them. And
Yeah.
here's the tray. You can sign it, Eric. Yeah, with the panellets ready to go to the oven. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the panellets made in a teamwork with Eric,
Yeah.
our friend Selma, and me. And let's try if they are nice or not. Let's pick one of pine nut panellets and it's really nice. Enjoy!